Mustang Coupe.
Love the scoop. Clean tail end. No spoiler. And there's the rims. And she's gorgeous. She's just flat out gorgeous. Love the car. These cars handle so amazing that they just feel like they're stuck to the road. I drove in a with an Italian race car driver at Barrett Jackson. He took me around. It was GT 500, but he took me around the track twice, and it was so much fun. I have to admit, I was jealous of his career because he gets to go to shows and just drive people around while they're freaking out. I'm proud to say that I didn't freak out, but let's just say I was really happy. Nice. Very nice. So you don't get bagged on here. All right, so Bill's back. He's got the sheet. See how fast he is? This car just got in, and it's his responsibility to make sure that you know the details. Oh, shaking, sorry. You know the details of the car. So there it is, zooming in, and it is a real Mach 1. Yep. Bill put Mustang Mach 1. That means it is a Mach 1. I suspected it. I didn't think, Bill, it was a restoration. Especially went through the interior and saw all the regalia. Is that the correct term, Bill? Regalia?
Whatever you want to call it.
Bill's laid back. He also owned a shop himself, so he's a fellow sufferer. I had to say it. It is a Mach 1, guys, and Bill has tagged it. All right, we're gonna do a pan in this section. Again, I can't cover every possible car, but I certainly can try to catch them on video for you. 383 stroker. Sold, sold, sold! All right, we're gonna test out Ed on his camera. Let's see what this looks like. You got numbers? Okay, and you're aiming at me, got me cropped, so I'm like here and here?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so remember, guys, over at McCormick's Auctions, sold! My daughter Rachel does that all the time, which I think is very cool. And I love you, Rachel. Love you.